Tomorrow, restrictions and biosecurity measures for Michigan dairy farmers are relaxing as we head into county fair season. The first amendment to the emergency order since 2 cases of avian influenza were detected in the state. Michigan Agriculture and Rural Development says starting tomorrow, cattle are allowed to be shown at any fair, assuming that they've been tested for bird flu in the last 7 days. The cattle must stay at least 6 feet apart. All species be isolated for 30 days after the fair, and the fair must also have an abundance of hygiene stations for the workers. This all comes after 2 Michigan dairy farmers contracted the bird flu from their dairy cows. Now, there isn't any evidence of person-to-person transmission, so health experts believe the risk to the general public remains low.